This is one of three 3D printed instrument models that I have made in a collaborative project with the Center for Research Collections here at the University of Edinburgh. This is a model of a mandore, an Italian instrument, which is sort of predecessor to the mandolin. The original that this is based on is pictured right here, and it dates to about 1717. Major changes you'll probably notice: the original has 10 strings, it's 5 courses of double strings. For the model, I reduced that to 5 single strings. I was concerned about the tension of the strings and the 3D printed PLA plastic. If I were to go back, I would probably consider adding the double courses back in. I've got it strung right now, by the way, with a Aquila Nyla gut, and I have it tuned to an open chord of C, one of the historical Mandore tunings out there. It's not an exact replica of the original, which is not usually what I try to go for with my models anyways. It's more of a functional, representative model of the original. And considering the original isn't in a playable condition, and is in a state of preservation in the collection, not necessarily accessible, it is nice to have something like this, which effectively is. So I will play a little bit on it for you so you can hear how it sounds.